back with another video. Got some appearance upgrades for the Maverick X3. I'm gonna go ahead and get them put on, and I'll get right back with you guys. Alright, and this is everything we took off. Like I say, minus the gearbox mount. Like I said, we're gonna get to that in a later video. We gotta dive a little deep to get that put on. So we're gonna wait till a later video to start messing with that. But we're good to go. Everything's in. Until next time.